Hi Ali, so here is the home page lifefinder.com and let me scroll down, let me scroll down and suddenly the video is disappeared and you cannot see this section of home page. Please let me know. And for the responsive section for the phone, I see like this. Hers is not bad. Um, yeah, I'll fix this issue, no worries. Um, there is issue in phone, but overall I think this is good. And I think some other issues on other pages. Yeah, I'll definitely fix this. Thank you.